Hello guys, let's start with a new topic, that is use cases for these large language models. So first we'll go through the use case of first we'll go through the use case of what are agentic AI and how to use them to use and build them. So let's take up a specific domain. This domain can be HR domain. So when we look into HR's daily task is one, there's going to be a requirement raised by the manager that we need so and so person for so and so task here. After this requirement is raised, second, HR is supposed to now shortlist or finalize resumes. Now this task is definitely very time consuming, right? Okay, we have thousands and thousands and thousands of resumes where people have written too much, exaggerated on their resumes, where people have added those skills, but the skills might not be relevant. So what is the trouble here? That after the requirement is raised, HR is supposed to go through many resumes to identify or shortlist relevant resumes for the use cases. So in this case, what if we have an AI? What if we have an AI that is able to read the resumes, understand if the content in the resume is genuine or fake, based on that pass the shortlisted resumes to HR. Wouldn't that save time? Yes, that would save a lot of time here. So when we discuss about agentic AIs are common models, common generative AI models that we use, but they have an additional reasoning layer. So when we say reasoning layer, that means we have another layer that is being processed before the data is being sent to the large language model. This layer is configured in the manner the way HR is supposed to work, that is shortlisting. So this will perform the actions, we will tell what needs to be done, it is going to reason, and it is going to give us the output here. So agentic AI, it is one of the most latest trend inside generative AI, where we are building systems to help specific departments. These systems are able to read the data that we have and also make decisions based on the data. So let's go ahead and build an agentic AI here. So for building an agentic AI, we are going to use Hugging Face Transformer library. First, we have imported pipeline function from transformer and we have imported random. Next, we are initializing a large language model from Hugging Face. So to generate that large language model, we have generated this using pipeline function. We have informed that this is going to be a basic text generation task here. Model is equal to GPT-2, a variant of OpenAI's model. Next, we are defining how is this agentic AI going to perform. How is it going to perceive the input? How is it going to decide? And how is it going to act? And finally, a run command that is going to take the input text and return the decision for us. So to create this, now we have this Hugging Face agent and we are passing the LLM class that we have described above. So Hugging Face agent, we have this thing and we are passing this information here. So, and we asked what are the benefits of agent AI in real life. So now it is responding back to it. What are the benefits? It is possible to provide better, more effective, and it is coming up with all the responses depending on the K we have defined above. So whenever we have a task at hand and that task requires special reasoning, and it needs to be broken down into steps. Going for an agentic AI, the system that we just discussed, is the option here.